Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we've got something absolutely extraordinary to share with you, a motorhome that's redefining luxury travel in ways we never thought possible. What you're looking at here is the stunning 2026 Volvo motorhome, and let me tell you, this isn't your grandfather's RV. This is a rolling mansion that combines Volvo's legendary engineering with futuristic design elements that will make you do a double take every single time you see it on the road. Let's start by talking about that absolutely jaw-dropping exterior because honestly, where do we even begin? The first thing that catches your eye is that bold, vibrant yellow and black color scheme that screams performance and luxury at the same time. Volvo has completely abandoned the boxy, utilitarian look of traditional motorhomes and instead created something that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. That front fascia is aggressive yet sophisticated, featuring Volvo's signature grille design but reimagined for the future. The sleek LED headlights wrap around the front corners, giving this massive vehicle an almost sporty appearance, which is incredible when you consider we're talking about a full-sized motorhome. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice the aerodynamic body panels that aren't just for show, they actually help reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency, which is crucial for a vehicle of this size. The massive panoramic windows run almost the entire length of the motorhome, flooding the interior with natural light while giving passengers incredible views of whatever scenic route they're traveling. And can we talk about those wheels for a second? This beast is rolling on what appears to be triple-axle configuration with custom alloy wheels that look like they were pulled straight off a high-performance sports car. The chrome detailing and low-profile design add to that premium aesthetic while ensuring stability and smooth handling on the highway. The roofline features an innovative design with integrated solar panels that help power the motorhome's extensive electrical systems, and there's a rooftop observation deck area that can be accessed for those perfect sunset moments. The rear of the vehicle maintains that cohesive design language with LED taillights that create a distinctive signature at night, and the bumper houses all the necessary hookups and storage compartments with covers that blend seamlessly into the overall design. Now let's step inside, and prepare to have your mind blown. The interior of this 2026 Volvo motorhome is nothing short of spectacular. As you enter, you're greeted by a spacious living area that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. The design philosophy here is clearly Scandinavian minimalism meets modern luxury. Premium leather seating in a cream or tan color palette creates an open, airy feeling, while carefully placed accent lighting sets the mood for relaxation or entertainment. The driver's area features a futuristic cockpit with a massive curved digital display that integrates all the vehicle's controls, navigation, and entertainment systems. The steering wheel is beautifully sculpted and houses controls for virtually every function you might need while driving. Moving back into the living quarters, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen that would make professional chefs jealous. We're talking about high-end appliances including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a wine cooler. The countertops appear to be premium quartz or granite, and there's ample storage throughout. The dining area features a convertible table that can be adjusted for different configurations, whether you're having a romantic dinner for two or entertaining a group of friends. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat with a walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and premium finishes that rival what you'd find in luxury homes. The sleeping quarters feature a king-size bed with premium mattress, ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of space. There's also a separate entertainment area with a large flat-screen TV, premium sound system, and comfortable seating that can convert into additional sleeping space when needed. When it comes to performance, Volvo hasn't cut any corners. Under that beautiful exterior lies a powerful engine that's rumored to be either a high-performance diesel or possibly even a hybrid powertrain, reflecting Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Early reports suggest this motorhome will deliver impressive horsepower while maintaining respectable fuel economy for its class. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth, comfortable ride whether you're cruising down the interstate or navigating winding mountain roads. Volvo's legendary safety features are all here too, including advanced driver assistance systems, collision avoidance technology, lane keeping assistance, and a comprehensive camera system that makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly manageable. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. A vehicle of this caliber doesn't come cheap, and the 2026 Volvo motorhome is expected to carry a price tag that reflects its luxury status. Industry insiders are suggesting a starting price somewhere in the range of $800,000 to $1.2 million, depending on customization options and features selected. Yes, that's a substantial investment, but when you consider you're getting a mobile home that combines transportation, accommodation, and luxury amenities all in one package, it starts to make sense for those who have the means and desire for ultimate travel freedom. This is truly a game-changing vehicle that represents the future of luxury motorhome travel, and we can't wait to see these rolling down highways around the world.